What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable screen touches while screen recording on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on additional settings. Now here in additional settings, scroll down and click on screen recorder, and then scroll down and here you will see a show touch gestures and show button taps buttons. So to enable touches while screen recording, turn on these two buttons, and if you want to disable touches while screen recording, then turn off these buttons. So that's how you can enable or disable screen touches while screen recording on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.